Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Figma to Framer. This process bridges the gap between static designs and interactive prototypes, enhancing your workflow. Figma is excellent for crafting detailed user interfaces, while Framer brings those designs to life with advanced animations and responsive layouts. By connecting these two powerful tools, you can create truly dynamic and engaging user experiences, saving valuable time and effort in your design process. Before importing, a well-organized Figma file is crucial for a smooth transition. Start by structuring your layers and frames with clear, descriptive names. Leverage Figma's auto layout feature and components to create responsive designs that translate effectively. Consistently use fonts, colors, and styles throughout your file to preserve aesthetic accuracy. Finally, remove any unnecessary elements to keep your Framer project focused and easy to manage. The easiest way to import your designs is by using the Figma to HTML with Framer plugin. First, install this plugin from the Figma community. Once installed, select the specific frames or layers you want to transfer within Figma. Run the plugin to copy these elements. Then, switch to Framer, open a new or existing project, and simply paste your copied design onto the canvas. Framer will convert your Figma layers into editable elements. Once your design is in Framer, the real magic begins. You can now add rich interactions, animations, and transitions to bring your prototype to life. Explore Framer's built-in components and layout tools like stacks to refine your design. Test your prototype across different screen sizes to ensure responsiveness. For advanced functionality, consider using Framer's code components. Finally, publish your project to share your fully interactive website with others for valuable feedback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.